welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ferraruci. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a very short tutorial on how to draw your brows, the best natural looking brows for 2021. Yes, I said it, and at the end of this video you're going to realize that it's actually the best technique for drawing your brows. Like, you don't want too much brows, at the same time you want it to look very natural and bold at the same time. It's like brows have been advancing over the years, as we have all noticed. So in 2021, over the years actually, people are no longer carve their brows. We all want to draw our full natural brows. Everybody's keeping their brows. We don't carve the way we used to carve those days anymore. So if you want to know how to actually like draw the best natural looking brows for your eyebrow, as you can see mine, it's not carved. This is the video. Just stay tuned, keep watching, get your notepad if you do need anything, get your biro and learn. So I got some of the things I'm going to be using for my brows for the purpose of this video. Actually, I got some brow pens which I'm going to be testing later on, and I'm going to be giving a review on them. This brow pencil is from Ever Beauty. I've not tested it, but I like the way it comes with brush, spoolie, whatever it is. It comes with a brow brush for the brows. Then I got my usual Davis pencil. This pencil is a lifesaver. If you're actually, if you are good, if you have your own technique of coming out with beautiful brows, you can do anything with this pencil. Then this is the pencil, the brow pencil I'm going to be trying, whatever the name is. It's MAF. It's called MAF. I don't know if you can see it. Focus, yes. So it's from MAF, and I actually tried it and I really love the results, and the fact that it has a ballpoint illusion, it's able to give a very defined brows compared to this one that doesn't have this ballpoint illusion. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, but anyways, just look at the difference. Yeah, so let's just go straight into the video. So first thing first, you want to get ready all that you will need for your brows. Your brushes that you use for blending, the angled brush that you use for cleaning up. This is the angled brush I make use of. Definitely your pencil. Then I decided to use the brush for this pencil. I'm going to be using it. And then your spoolie. Then you definitely have to get your concealer that has full coverage, like superb coverage. You definitely need to get it, so make sure you do have them. Then we can actually now start our brows. Definitely there are different techniques to drawing your brows. There is when you actually draw your brows first before starting anything on your face, and there's definitely when you do the skin work, then you go to the brows. I'm definitely a skin work person, and before going to the brows, I love doing my skin work before actually drawing my brows, because it also gives this natural effect. So I'm going to be doing one brows that is going to have that technique, and the other one that is without it, so you can actually see both. So let's just go right into it. So you're going to start by combing out your brows using a spoolie, as I'm doing here. Actually, everything I'm going to be doing in this video is self-explanatory, but just for the purpose of proper explanation, I'm going to be doing more. So here is the ballpoint pencil, and I'm just going to highlight the natural pattern of my brows, just following the normal direction of my brows. So I'm making use of the brush from my pencil. As I said earlier, I'm making use of that brush, and I'm just going to use it to comb out the excess pencil. You don't want too much product on the brows, so I'm just going to use it to comb it into the brows, like blend it together and all.
It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, we'll be forever.
So I'm just going back into the brows and filling up the excess spaces, the spaces that I get to be filled up, and then I go in upward direction to just give the illusion of brows, you know. I'll be using this my Ferraruci concealer palette. It has eye coverage, and I'm going to be using this my angled brush to like clean up the brows. So I'm just going to be using a light shade from the palette under my eye. Yeah, the light shade, it's like 2 times lighter than my skin color, so that's what you should do too. All you have to do is to just follow the pattern of your brows, and since you are not carving, make sure to make it as small as you want your brows to be, or as wide as you want your brows to be. Don't make it look super large, except you are going for super large brows. You know what I'm saying? Using some wipers, wipe off the excess product on the angled brush and just dab into a shade of concealer that is close to your skin color, and you just use it exactly where I'm putting it.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night.
So a wiper is your friend when it comes to drawing your brows, clean up your brows, clean off the brush, and just make use of the remaining product that is left on it, and just use it to clean up the upper part of your brows. Remember I said make sure you're not doing super large brows. Make sure it's the size you want it to be.
Can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down.
So that's that on the cleaning. Make sure you take your time when cleaning. So we're going to go into the next brows using the other technique. So first thing is to get your primer. I use my Miko Magnesia because of its mattifying quality. So that's what I'll be using. Dab it on your brows. Once you finish dabbing, we'll be using classic foundation, and I'm just going to also be blending it into my skin right on my top of my brows. Once that's done, the next thing to do is to set. We're going to be using my Fairy Gold High Definition Setting Powder, and I'm just going to be setting my brows. The next thing to do is to use your spoolie to comb out your brows in an upward direction. Make sure to comb it very well. Make sure it's well laid. The product we already applied makes it able to like slick down. So make sure to comb out all the brows, all the strands of hair there. Then next thing is to use your ballpoint pencil to alight and just do the same process that we carried out when we're doing the first brows. that's done, take your brush, your brow brush, and just comb in the product, just like we did for the first brows. Upward strokes, filling the spaces within the brows. Upward strokes to give it the illusion of, more brows. So
my heart can only take so much before it falls down and
once that's done, get your angled brush, your concealer, just like we did with the first eye, and clean up the excess, give it a defining look, or making it look neater.
This is what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go,
using your friend the wipers, clean up your brush and use the leftover product on it to clean up the top part of the brows.
3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. My heart can only take so much.
Next step is your blending game. There's a technique for upward parts of the brows. Make sure you blend sideways or upward direction. While for your lower underbrows, make sure you blend downwards. Do not blend upwards, guys. If not, you're going to make a mess of the concealer. So make sure you blend sideways for upward and downwards for downward.
Even you believe in, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know,
have both natural looking brows. This came out really bold and the other one came out looking super natural, and we can tell they are both different techniques. So you guys do your pick, which is your favorite. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys were able to learn one or two things, and I feel like this tutorial is able to actually gauge like what you would like to achieve in your own brows. So personally, I am this person. I am not this. I am not the too defined. I like something that looks really natural. But if you're somebody that doesn't do your skin work first, definitely this is what you will definitely come up with. At least to some extent, it looks very natural. But if you are someone that is really the skin work person first, this is what you get, because it's going to look super natural. And the fact that the setting powder and every other thing you must have added is going to make it look fainter. And you know, from the video, I'm sure you were able to tell why it came out different. So make sure guys, that's actually everything for this video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. The button is down there below, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you are don't waste time, just give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure to share this video to everybody you think would need this video. It's in their brow games for 2021, and also hit the bell notification for more interesting content like this, so you get notified as soon as any new video is up. That's all for my brow tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye.